All right, everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1955 Chevy Bel Air. Now let's just take a second to admire how wonderful this resto mod is. And I'm not just saying that because it's a Chevy, but more importantly, the way they redid this car was spectacular. Starting off with the exterior, you got a very nice turquoise with a white 2 combination there. For the wheels, you had Ridler style aftermarket wheels with a thinner tire. Going into our interior, you can see they have a silver combination with a cloth gray bench seat there. Even for the door panels, it matches. Even the old-fashioned steering wheel is very nice. You can see they definitely did that nice. As for our gauges, you got the old style gauges. You have the aftermarket style 2-knob radio with cassette, aftermarket oil pressure gauge, and especially you have one of the nicest things a Classic can give you, vintage AC. In fact, I just want to take a second to show you how nice they even installed the vents. They didn't put it down there as anybody else would, but let's give you a little bit of a brake test too to show you how the brakes work. Definitely good. But other than that, underneath the engine bay, you got a small block Chevy, only stock manifolds. They did do some upgrades as the intake is now chrome, valve covers are chrome, but you know what? It's nice to really upgrade your Classic every now and then. It only draws more attention and brings up more value. But as for now, we're gonna get this fine car turned around and up on the lift. So please stay tuned to see the underneath.